Yo, what's up everybody? Happy Halloween, KJS Insano here. Gonna do something with a Halloween theme. Gonna blow up a pumpkin. And today I'm gonna use one of my patented Gopher getters, E-matched, which is one of these tubes with one of these tubes inside of it. Oh boy, that's hard to do. Oh yeah. So check it out. It's gonna be a double wall, which should make this thing have some major bang. Gopher getter. I got about 12 of them made up, so gonna test one out. If it works good, we're gonna blow up some more pumpkins for the channel. All right, everybody, let's go check this out.